Hi friends, this is Amy. Thanks so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be a series of random clips that I filmed throughout the week here at Ramey Vines. I'm so glad you tuned in. Please hit like and subscribe if you like what you're watching. Hey friends, I had to redeem myself. After posting that last video about how I'd neglected my vineyard, I just took a few hours yesterday morning and got it back under control. Mowed down the aisles. Now I still need to weed eat. As you can tell, there's still quite a bit of ground cover and grasses up along the rows. But at least the row beds are clear, the nets are on, they're trimmed and not near as unruly, and we're pretty optimistic that there will be a grape harvest this year after all. Like I said, had to redeem myself. I had let that vineyard get out of control, but Ray and I both took yesterday morning and just rolled up our sleeves and got to it, and now we're all fixed. I love that sound. Buzzing busy bees. Bees are always welcome in my garden. Oh, look at the cows come running. They know the sound of that tractor, and they certainly know what a hay bale looks like. Here come the cows. Forever and always finding creatures. This is a giant walking stick. He's something else. I think they're pretty creepy, actually. Not a fan. They pretty much do look like a stick. It's so weird. I think some even get bigger than that, but that one's pretty good size. Me and my creatures. I literally probably show y'all way too many thunderstorm videos, and if you're getting sick of them, just message me below. But this is the most delightful evening, or actually afternoon. It was 94, almost 95, and some storms stirred up, and now there's this nice cool breeze. Lots of lightning to keep me entertained, and I think the garden's about to get an unexpected but very welcome and nice